हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल याशी क्रिएटिविटी। आज का टॉपिक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है उन सभी के लिए जो कि पेरेंटिंग एज में है या फिर पेरेंटिंग एज के स्टेप डोर पर है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक एंड माय टॉपिक नेम इज़ इम्पैक्ट ऑफ द कार्टून ऑन चिल्ड्रन ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. So first of all, we know about the what is the cartoon. Cartoon is the funniest character that draw into the newspaper, magazines. और इसकी जो शुरुआत है वो 18th सेंचुरी से की गई थी और इन 19 सेंचुरीज़ में जो फर्स्ट कार्टूनिस्ट थे एमली कॉल, जिनको फादर ऑफ द एनिमेटेड कार्टून भी कहा जाता है, इटालियन थे और इन्होंने एक कार्टून को ओरिजिनेट किया था जिसका नाम था फैंटास्मॉर्गिन. एंड इंडिया के फर्स्ट कार्टूनिस्ट थे आर के लक्ष्मण, जिन्होंने टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के लिए सबसे पहले कार्टून ड्रॉ किया था. इंडिया का फर्स्ट एनिमेटेड कार्टून था गायब द गुदर घोस्ट इन 1986 में डीडी चैनल पे ब्रॉडकास्ट किया गया था, जिसके प्रोड्यूसर थे सुधा अवस्था बासु. और तब से लेके अब तक बहुत सारे इंडिया में कार्टून्स आ चुके हैं जैसे कि जो कि इंडिया से ही ओरिजिनेटेड हैं. छोटा भीम, चमकी की दुनिया, जंगल बुक, कृष्णा, बलराम एंड मैथोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर लव कुश, कुंभकर्ण ब्रॉडकास्ट किए जा चुके हैं. अगर बात करें कि वर्ल्ड वाइड फेमस कार्टून कौन कौन से हैं तो वो है मिक्की माउस, सिम्पसन, टॉम एंड जेरी, फ्लिंटस्टोन और फैमिली गाय, स्कूबा डूबी, रॉड रनर. नो डाउट कि कार्टून इज़ द ग्रेट सोर्स ऑफ लर्निंग, एजुकेशन, क्रिएटिविटी एंड फन. It's provide the additional knowledge, information about the world and develop the interest to the entertainment. Cartoon have funny and entertaining stuff, so not only children but also adults like to watch the cartoon. Cartoon is the good medium for fun and entertainment for the children. Children usually start to watch the cartoon at the age of 2 to 9. Children of this age group have growing mind. Now we discussing about the negative and positive impact of the कार्टून ऑन द चिल्ड्रन. नो डाउट कि हर थिंग्स के पीछे एक पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव दोनों ही पहलू होते हैं. सो साइड बाय साइड कार्टून्स का भी यही इम्पैक्ट है, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट. So first point is the relieve the stress. Children love the animated material, and that material is helpful for laughing, and laughing does promote the endorphin hormone, and endorphin hormone is the stress buster and confident builder because it reduce the cortisol hormone and build up the immune system also. Second point is educational impact. Cartoon is the great source of teaching about our culture, tradition, custom, values, and those are values are promoted by the mythological characters such as Love Kush, Krishna, Balram, Ghatotkaч, Bhim, that show the true culture of India. Third point, develop the audio visual learning. AVH learning is the most effective learning method rather than other learning method. By watching the cartoon, a beautiful animated videos, attractive color, different situation, that helping the children to learn the various thing in a single time. It's help the children to remember the concept for a longer time. Fourth point, build up the good health. Funny things done by the cartoon and make a children laugh, and laughing is the best exercise for good health because it increase the circulation in. And explore more language. Through the cartoon, children not only learn the mother tongue native language but is also know about the foreign language, and they improve the good communication skill, better expressive nature and good pronunciation. Sixth point, enhance the creativity. Through the cartoon, children's increase their imagination power and creativity, and they think about new ideas and develop their new stories on the basis of the cartoons. Next point, enhance the early learning. By the cartoon, early learning process is started because very early age age of group of the children, they watch the cartoons TV, such as 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, have a blank brain, and in this the audio visual learning is fall down a grateful impact to learn the everything they watch. So that's why the smart classes are ruled in the kindergarten schools. Cartoons play positive and negative effect both in children behavior. Sometimes they show the negative effects, such as they show aggression, violent behavior with their friends, parents, and siblings also. First point, promote the violence. Such type of the cartoons, they promote the violence, such as Tom and Jerry. That type of the character have no relation with the reality, and children have so much confused about real and real, and they misbehaving. Second point, develop foul language. No doubt cartoon is the good medium for language development. Different type of language learn at the single time, but sometimes some cartoons have a use mislanguage, yeah, abusive language that enhance the bad language, and they learn from the cartoon and they apply in real life. Third point, enhance the unsocial behavior. Some time of the cartoon, they contain the sexually and aggressive and battery and very harm and violence type of the character, and they influence the children to malbehave. Fourth point, cut the social life. By the cartoons, children spend more time in a single room, and they cut off the social life, and completely they forgot the socialization, and hence the unruling behavior and lack of the empathy, because sometime of the cartoon characters have disobedient and misbehaving toward their teachers and adults, and children's also they have mimic behavior of their favorite cartoon character, and they show the misbehave. Next point, develop the unhealthy lifestyle. Because of the many hours sitting in front of the screen and watching the cartoons, and they have serious impact of the health issues, such as a obesity, nutritional deficiency, and visual deformities, as well as mental health issues such as aggression, depression conditions are developed. Next point, misleading role models. Children admire with the misleading role models who encourage the wrong habits and display the insensitive behavior toward your friends and circle. This kind of cartoon have very crucial impact on the children's psychology, and they lead with the devastating consequences that result. Children have antisocial, uncommunicated. Soon have the both positive and negative effects on children's psychology, but as a parents हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि हम बेस्ट कार्टून्स को डिसाइड करें. They show the positive impact on children's psychology. The parents manage the time of the cartoon, and along with they manage the outdoor activity, so they know about the socialization, and they play with own age group of the children's. So as a parenting role में most important ये भी है कि watch the children behaviors and find the wrong things and correct them as soon as possible. I hope you like this informative videos. If you like, and please share, subscribe, and like this video, and thanks for watching.